Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to create a list in the Trello app on your phone. Whether you are new to Trello or just want to organize your tasks more efficiently, this guide will help you manage your board smoothly and stay productive. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, navigate to the board where you want to add a new list. You can select any board you have already created. Then, look for the Add List option and tap on it to start creating your new list. After that, type the name of your list in the provided field. Make sure the name clearly represents the tasks. Once you have entered the name, look at the top right and tap on Save to confirm your new list. Finally, your list will appear on your board, ready for you to add cards or tasks. You can repeat these steps to create multiple lists and structure your board exactly the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.